Want to see what the future of cooking looks like? These futuristic Amazon kitchen gadgets are built to bring modern convenience and comfort right into your home. These saving designs, they'll transform the way you cook. All the links are in the description below. Forget juggling shakers and measuring cups. This cocktail mixer does it all for you. Just pour in your ingredients, tap a button, and it mixes perfect drinks in under 30 seconds. From margaritas to mocktails, it handles it all with app-powered precision and personalization. Drinks stay chilled for hours, and cleanups as simple as a rinse. Whether you're hosting or just unwinding, it's like having your own personal bartender on standby. If you love cooking but hate doing dishes, this 9-piece bakeware set is going to change your kitchen game. The silicone trays let you cook multiple dishes at once. No flavor mixing, no mess. And those matching lids? Perfect for storing leftovers without wrestling cling wrap. The nonstick baking sheet makes cleanup painless, so you can focus on the food, not the fuss. This kitchen sink isn't just smart, it's downright genius. With a waterfall faucet, built-in cup washer, and a sleek control panel that feels more like a piano than plumbing, it turns dish duty into something almost enjoyable. The stainless steel body resists scratches and smudges, while the temperature display keeps things safe and steady. No batteries required. Labeling just got way more fun. This compact label maker connects to an app, letting you print custom designs in seconds. Just insert the label paper, choose your style, and tap print. From kitchen jars to cables and notebooks, you can tag anything with ease. The labels peel right off and stick wherever you need them. Simple, creative, and seriously satisfying. Spices don't belong in a messy drawer. This rotating spice rack brings your seasonings front and center with a fun Ferris wheel-style twist. Just give it a spin to find exactly what you need. No digging, no guessing. Each jar stays securely in place and is easy to grab when you're mid-recipe. It looks great on any countertop and makes cooking feel just a bit more organized and exciting. Leftover pizza taking up half your fridge? This expandable pizza storage container is a total space saver. It stacks neatly, adjusts to your slice count, and comes with 5 trays that double as microwave-safe plates. No need to reheat the whole stack. The airtight seal keeps everything fresh, while the vent prevents sogginess. It's cleaner, smarter pizza storage that actually works. Your lunch just leveled up. This smart electric lunchbox doesn't just heat, it steams your meal to perfection while locking in freshness. With easy touch controls and a 9.5-hour timer, it's perfect for busy days. The stainless steel liner keeps things clean and durable, and the water heating method ensures even warmth every time. Bonus, there's a hidden spot inside to store your fork and spoon. No more messy microwave cleanups after heating soup or spaghetti. This splatter cover keeps your microwave spotless while steaming your food to perfection. The built-in water tank adds just the right amount of moisture, so your leftovers stay juicy, not rubbery. It's clear, durable, and has a sturdy handle that won't fall off mid-reheat. Plus, the included silicone mat helps keep odors away. Messy hands? No problem. This touchless paper towel dispenser gives you a clean sheet with just a wave. Perfect for countertops, it doesn't need mounting or drilling, just set it down and let it do the work. Smart sensors stop waste by pulling back unused sheets, and you can plug it in or run it on batteries. Whether you're cooking, cleaning, or crafting, it's a hands-free helper you'll love. Pizza night just got way cooler and way easier. This rotating oven spins your food as it cooks, making sure everything bakes evenly from edge to edge. You can control the top and bottom heat separately, so crust stays crisp while toppings get perfectly melted. It even shuts off when the timer's done, so no more burnt cheese. Plus, it uses way less energy than a regular oven and cleans up fast. Stirring the pot just got hands-free. This automatic pan stirrer takes over while you focus on everything else. Drop it into your soup, sauce, or gravy. Press a button, and it starts rotating on its own. No spoon required. With 3 speed settings and heat-safe nylon legs, it works in non-stick pans without scratching a thing. It's cordless, compact, and surprisingly fun to watch in action. Fresh pasta without the elbow grease? Yes, please. This electric pasta maker mixes, kneads, and extrudes dough all on its own, so you get silky noodles in under 10 minutes. With 8 shaping discs, you can switch from spaghetti to penne to fettuccine without skipping a beat. It even handles cookie and bread dough like a pro. Cleanup's easy too, thanks to dishwasher-safe parts and a non-stick interior. Tired of babysitting the pot while dinner simmers? This automatic stirrer handles it for you. No more burned bottoms or sore arms. Just set it in place, and it adjusts to fit most pots while gently sweeping the base to keep things smooth and creamy. It's cordless, powerful, and runs quietly for hours on a single charge. Perfect for soups, sauces, or slow-cooked masterpieces that need constant motion. If making 49 skewers in 5 minutes sounds impossible, this tool will prove you wrong. Just stack your meat, veggies, or fruit inside the box, run your knife through the guide slots, and pop in the sticks. Boom! Perfect kebabs with zero mess. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and makes prep way faster for parties or family BBQ nights. Once you try it, hand skewering feels like ancient history. Who knew vegetables could be this fun? This 7-blade spiralizer turns zucchini, sweet potatoes, and more into curly fries, zoodles, and ribbons with almost no effort. The suction base keeps it steady, and a built-in container catches everything for a no-mess prep. Just swap the blades to change the style, and you're off to create low-carb, colorful meals in minutes. It's fast, satisfying, and way more fun than chopping. It's not just ice, it's a statement. This sleek aluminum press transforms chunky cubes into flawless spheres in under a minute. Just drop in the ice, and the heavy metal top does the rest. No twisting, squeezing, or waiting around. The result? A slow melting orb that chills your drink without watering it down. Whether you're serving whiskey or mocktails, this tool adds instant class to your glass. Fresh pasta at home without the mess? This automatic pasta maker does it all for you, mixing, kneading, and shaping with just the push of a button. Choose from 12 pasta shapes like spaghetti, penne, or dumpling wrappers, and get perfectly fresh noodles in about 10 minutes. The Smart Touch panel tells you exactly how much flour and water to add. Big enough for the whole family, yet simple enough for beginners. Breakfast just got way more fun and way less complicated. This all-in-one station lets you brew coffee, toast bread, and cook eggs or bacon all at once. The non-stick griddle handles pancakes like a pro, and the toaster oven fits 4 slices with room to spare. Flip a switch, turn a dial, and your whole morning meal is underway. It saves space, looks retro cool, and keeps everything in one spot. No more bending, no more mess, just sweep and go. This automatic dustpan sucks in dirt the moment your broom gets close, all without you touching a thing. The large control panel lets you switch modes, check filter status, and know exactly when to empty it. Bonus? It also purifies the air with a built-in HEPA filter while it cleans your floor. Smart, sleek, and seriously satisfying. Cracking pistachios just got way more fun. This kid-friendly sheller turns snack time into a hands-on activity with its easy hand crank and mess-free design. It separates shells cleanly without crushing the nuts inside, all while staying stable thanks to its non-slip base. Built from food-safe materials, it's safe for little hands and grown-ups too. Great for peanuts or pistachios, it makes shelling surprisingly satisfying. Your cookies just became a blank canvas. This edible ink printer lets you print vibrant designs directly onto sugar cookies. No frosting, no mess, just instant wow. It's fast too, handling hundreds of cookies per hour with crisp, colorful results. Upload a photo, logo, or message, and hit print. Suddenly, dessert is the main event. Perfect for birthdays, weddings, or next-level bake sales. No need to squeeze, drip, or dirty your hands. Just spray your citrus straight from the source. These little juice sprayers twist directly into lemons, limes, or oranges, turning the whole fruit into a natural spray bottle. Just press down and mist fresh juice over salads, seafood, or drinks. It even comes with a base so your fruit stands upright between uses. Fresh flavor, no mess, and way more fun than a boring squeezer. Want crispy grilled cheese without the weight or mess? This microwave sandwich maker turns your microwave into a mini grill, heating both sides at once for golden, crunchy results. It's perfect for paninis, quesadillas, or reheating leftovers with a fresh grilled touch. Non-stick and dishwasher safe. Cleanup's a breeze. If you need quick, tasty meals with zero fuss, this is your new kitchen sidekick. Fresh juice. Wherever you are, no cord, no noise, no hassle. This portable electric juicer squeezes citrus and other fruits with one quiet press, separating pulp from juice in seconds. It charges via USB-C and fits easily into your bag, so you can juice on the go from road trips to work desks. Cleanup's easy with detachable parts and a handy brush. It's a tiny powerhouse for your daily dose of freshness. Dull knives slowing you down? This 4-in-1 sharpener brings them back to life in just a few swipes. With 4 slots tailored for everything from steel blades to scissors, you get a perfect edge every time. No guesswork, no hassle. The non-slip base keeps things steady, and it even comes with a cut-resistant glove for extra safety. Sleek, compact, and easy to use. Sharp tools. Sharper kitchen game. Chopping by hand is out. This powerful food processor does the work in seconds. With just one button, it slices, minces, purees, or mixes everything from veggies to meat. The double-layer blades spin in a 4D motion for even cuts every time, and the 8-cup stainless steel bowl handles big batches with ease. 2 speed modes give you control over texture. Safe, fast, and surprisingly quiet, it makes prep time way easier.